We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce Vita. Venite con noi. Any eggs, Mattia?
Yes, 4 eggs.
Let's have a look. Wow! You can have some lunch now?
Yes.
Guardala, quante ce ne sono? Ce ne sono un sacco, non ci arrivo.
Stanno pure un sacco di insetti.
Vabbè, Mattia, è esagerato.
So the kids and I decided we wanted to make granita, and because we have so much mulberries, we decided we were going to make some granita with our mulberries.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao. Vediamo. Wow. Quanto questa cosa è piccola.
Eh sì, hai visto che siete stati bravi?
Patate, insalata,
Lattuga. È cresciuta tanto l'insalata e la lattuga.
Eh sì.
Soprattutto questa qua, guarda. Queste due sono.
Vabbè, quello l'abbiamo piantato di più perché non ne piace la lattuga.
Zucchine, anzi dobbiamo togliere l'erba e il fagiolino di lato. E fagiolino? No, pomodoro anzi.
Sì, mi hai detto che tu devi
Pomodoro.
Già stanno facendo i fiori.
Sì.
Le zucchine. Questo lo guardo.
L'ha schiacciato dov'ero?
So to make the granita, Viola added a cup of sugar into a liter of warm water, stirring it gently. Then she added the mulberries that had been pre-washed to the liquidizer, and she liquidized them all. Then she squeezed a lemon and added the lemon juice to the mulberries. And then I helped Viola pour in the hot sugary mixture into the mulberries, and she stirred gently.
Cosa dobbiamo fare?
Ora lo dobbiamo mettere in congelatore.
La farina?
No, la farina per la brioche. Ok? Metti il tappo.
Nel freezer.
In the freezer.
Ora facciamo la granita e il limone.
Ciao!
Ciao!
Viola then added the lemon juice to the hot water and sugar and stirred it gently. Occhio, non ti bruci qua?
Sì. No. Basta.
Ma è perché non è acqua, perché ci abbiamo messo 1 chilo di zucchero.
Then I just added both of those granitas to the freezer. They do say to stir every hour, but honestly we didn't do that. I left it for 24 hours and then took it out for about 10-15 minutes before we wanted to eat it, broke it all up, mixed it with a spoon, and it was ready. which I have never done before. I added milk to a pan, heated it up gently, added some sugar, and then I added some beer yeast. Okay, and then I added the flour gently into a big bowl. I then stirred and got a nice soft mixture. After that, I took my eggs and I beat them before and then added them to the mixture, folding in gently, mixing and getting a nice dough. I also added some lemon rind, which just gave it such a beautiful tangy taste. Okay, and then once I got a good dough, I covered it up and left it for a good 2 hours. Here Massi is now cutting the dough into about 10 shapes, and then we are going to make our little brioche. So it's very similar to working a sourdough bread. You try not to knead it very, a lot, but just do it really gently, keeping the air in and forming a little ball.
It didn't come out that right. Should we do 3?
We then covered them and let them rise for another hour. Wow, Massi's just come in with a nice lettuce from the garden. That looks beautiful.
Very nice, wow.
We're going to do this for dinner.
Oh yeah.
Now is the moment to make the tuppe, which just meant like the little lids to these brioche. And these are typical Sicilian made brioche, which everybody loves. Once we did that, we coated them with milk. Yeah, actually, if you want a nice shiny look, do it with an egg yolk. We ran out of eggs, can you believe it, with all our chickens. So we decided to use milk. Pop it in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees, and there you go. Beautiful homemade brioche with granita and mulberry granita.
Granita limone?
Yes.
Bene così?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Brioche. Viola, granita limone?
Yes.
Brioche. Massimo?
Sì.
Sì.
Is
that enough?
Sì.
Okay.
That's it.
Brioche.
That's it.
Quite a big guy, actually. I think these things you need to eat them because they're hot. Yeah.
The perfect place for sleeping.
You think? You gotta help work.
So, I'm attacking the problem we have on the ceiling. We've had an infiltration of water from where the gutter is. So there's a gutter coming out the wall, and it goes directly down. But I've gone up to inspect it. There is an entrance to it, and the entrance is really tight, so I have to open that all up. I have to break it all around with the cement. I think I showed a video of it, what I've done before.
We have.
So
what
now
happened?
I've come to a second solution,
Yeah.
Plan B. Hi, morning. Plan B. So Plan B is now I have to break it all open, put a special, it's called a duct, and it's a gutter duct. So it makes the flow of the water easier. There is no interruption, so it's going to be one piece, and there won't be all the infiltration of water from the sides. It's quite a big job, but what I'm going to start doing, as soon as it's not going to be raining, I've looked at the weather, and the weather says no rain.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. So what I'm going to do for now until tomorrow, because everything's closed today, I'm going to just clean up this bit of the wall. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to clean up this bit of the wall, and I'm going to start doing a light plaster on it. And yeah, that's my next move.
So for those of you who know us and have been following us, you will know that we live near Syracuse. So for us, Ortigia is something amazing, something that nothing really comes close to her beauty. But I must say, coming to Noto and seeing such beautiful history in Noto, and just it is so sophisticated, it is so beautiful. I must say it comes pretty close to Ortigia. Something about the light in Noto, it's so golden. The palazzi, the cathedral, the churches, they all give this golden aspect. Or is it the sunset? I don't know. But whatever it is, it's absolutely beautiful. No wonder they call it the Golden City.
before. I remember coming, maybe with Claudia. Well, so as you've gathered, we're in Noto for the Infiorata. It is packed with people.
These are what's your friends.
These are Massi's two mates over here, Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Anyway, I think we've walked into, I'm not quite sure where we are, but there's a beautiful, some beautiful paintings, and we're in a beautiful place, I'm not sure. Okay, we're going to make our way back into the Infiorata and see the rest of the show, of the designs. Looking very smart, aren't they?
Is that enough for you? Is it?
enough.
It's enough.
We're not allowed to touch. Together with the figs. Not the figs, the fig of India.
Cactus. You look so pretty next to that jasmine. I mean, the jasmine looks so pretty next to you.
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
All right, Mas, what did you think of that Infiorata?
There were so many people. The
Overwhelming.
Infiorata was pretty nice. The theme was peace.
Beautiful.
Um,
It's done so well, wasn't it?
yeah, we had to actually walk along a little side street to get away from the big crowds.
Yeah.
Can't believe there's no one in this road. It's like crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. Look at that. People are coming. Anyway, we've had a lovely time.
Beautiful time.
We wanted
Nice
to
evening.
come here for the sunset, and we did.
We got here at a good time.
And
Yeah.
now we're going to leave, and we're probably going to get something to
Some
eat
food.
on our way home.
Yep.
So we had the pleasure of meeting our subscriber on YouTube and also on Patreon, Mark. We had an amazing dinner together. We took him to one of our favorite restaurants and we just had a beautiful chat and a drink together. Thank you so much, Mark, and hope to see you soon. Maybe next year, we don't know. Anyway, we hope you've all enjoyed this week's video. We will see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao.